Qingdao Grief New Energy Equipment Company Limited are global supplier which focus on permanent magnet generators and wind turbines. 50% staff in our engineer team have 10 years experience in the field, can provide one-stop customized system solution for both on-grid and off-grid system. Since the start of the company, we have been passionate believers in our mission to provide cheap, reliable electricity through the power of renewable energy. Your support and belief in what Grief lives for, starting with our motto, Be Green, Be Great, Have Fun, has allowed us to rapidly innovate and become a responsible supplier in distributed renewable energy. We can provide customized 500 watt to 5 megawatt permanent magnet generators which suitable for water turbine and wind turbine. Our vertical wind turbines are installed all over the world, which have low start wind speed, low noise, and high efficiency. We have export to more than 60 countries all over the world, like Europe, South America, North America, and other countries and regions. And all products have CE approvals. We also provide 3 to 5 years warranty of our products. Pay more attention in after sales, with very strong flexibility and competitive capabilities, especially in organizing goods sources all over China, solution design, quality control, transportation arrangement, and commodity inspection. With a fast response service system, we can assist our customers to save cost and time.